Hey, what is up guys? My name is Oleg, this is Bond. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do an unboxing of Parnis watch. I haven't done an unboxing in a while and I kind of miss doing these videos. Also, on a lot of videos of affordable Chinese watches or on Homage watch videos, a lot of people suggest that I take a look at Parnis watches because they make, according to you guys, some great homages. So don't say I don't listen to your feedback. Now let's open the package. Okay, the reason why I'm opening it this way is because my address is on the top of the box, so I don't want to show that. All right, we got a thank you card. That's nice. And nothing else in this portion. Looks like that's all the packaging for the watch. So the styrofoam box is all the packaging that you get, which is kind of standard with these affordable Chinese watches. Okay, so here's the watch. Feels heavy. Feels pretty good in the hand. Let's see if you guys were right. Okay, so we have another plastic bag. Initial impressions without taking the wrap off. It feels pretty good. Actually looks good. Oh, that bezel action does feel and sound cheap. You can probably hear it through the video. I mean, it is a $75 watch, so my expectations weren't that high, but yeah, could definitely be improved. Let me take off all this plastic from the bracelet. Oh, look at this bracelet. Parnis. I really don't like when companies sign it this way. So I managed to take off all the plastic from the bracelet. Bracelet looks like it has brushed finish on top and polished on the sides. It's okay. I mean, it does have a bit of that squeak. It's not worked in yet. Very common with these affordable watches. After about 2 days of wearing, the bracelet becomes a lot smoother. Right now it's a bit, I wouldn't say stiff, it feels kind of robotic for the lack of better description. Surprisingly, it does have screw-in pins for $75 US. That's really impressive. This clasp, I can already tell I don't really like because it's quite thick. You can see this portion here is quite thick. Again, $75. I'm gonna keep on saying that over and over again. The two pushers for the release. Yeah, and this dial looks pretty good. How that magnifier looks like it's magnifying properly, 2.5 times. GMT style bezel, the orange GMT hand, Mercedes hands, of course. A screw down crown, I'm guessing. Yeah, it is a screw down crown. Let's try this movement before I go. All right, first position. Date change. Ooh, I shouldn't be changing the date in danger zone. So I'm guessing this is okay. What happened here? Okay, so this is the GMT hand. Sorry about that, guys. And it only goes one way. So if you go down, it only goes forward. You can wind it the other way. Okay, so this is winding. Sorry, this movement is a bit finicky. Okay. Alright, now I think I got to operate the movement. As you can see, the seconds hand stopped working. It's kind of difficult to do on camera, so in the defense of this watch, maybe when I do it kind of without the monitor in front of me it would be easier, but as of right now, not the simplest movement to operate, let's just say that, not the smoothest. At the same time, when I tested the Homage GMT, it was a very similar situation. So I think the two watches might have exactly the same movement in both of them. All right, I'm excited to review this one. Based on your suggestions, a lot of people have recommended it. So I'm excited to see what this watch is all about. All right, guys, so that was the unboxing and initial impressions for this Parnis Rolex GMT Master 2 Homage. What are the initial impressions? Well, first of all, the price. I paid $75 for this watch on eBay. I'll leave a link in the description below. The shipping was really fast. It arrived in like a week. These watches are also sold on AliExpress. If I find some reputable sellers, I will also link them in the description below. The specs for price, it's pretty much unbeatable. You get the automatic GMT movement, you get sapphire crystal, ceramic bezel, stainless steel case with the stainless steel bracelet. Even has
screw-in pins. So just on paper, for $75, it's an amazing deal. But as we all know, watches are not just the specs. It's also the quality and the craftsmanship behind the watch. I'm not expecting much for $75, but I'm expecting some things. So I'm excited to do a review of this watch in a few weeks' time, give you all the pros and all the cons as I find them, because this is a very interesting watch, and for $75, seems like a great deal. I appreciate you watching this video until the end. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this Parnis watch and if you have any experience with these Rolex GMT Master homages. I'm curious to hear your feedback before I do my review. On my wrist today, I'm wearing a Zelos Swordfish. Really like this diver. Of course, I did a review of it. That video could be found on the channel. I will link it in the description below as well. Also in the description below, there is a secret link. Have a look if you're curious. Thanks for watching. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.